we're going to explore Kara's kitchen. There's the garbage can.
Oh, garbage.
We're going into the fridge now. Yes. What's in here? Ow! Garlic. Mesquite smoke barbecue sauce. Whipped cream. Smucker's squeeze. I don't even know what flavor that is. Looks fruity. Grape. Wait, Smucker's is jelly. Of course it looks fruity. Ketchup. Sprite that's gone flat.
We're making jello shot.
French vanilla creamer. Milk chocolate frosting. Tomato and basil sauce. Roasted garlic Alfredo sauce. Lots and lots of Coke Zero, but it's never enough for her. I don't know what's in there. It looks like something's growing in there.
There is.
What the fuck?
Leave it alone.
Roasted garlic Alfredo sauce again. Kara, when do you need to clean out your fridge?
I know. Okay.
Seriously, there's mold in there.
I know. Okay.
Beer. More beer. And something else. I don't feel like getting it out. Baking soda. Leftover sketty, that's what we're after. Nobody cares about the other things. But there's like juice in my Mountain Dew, and I don't even know what that is. It's been in there for ages though.
It was risky.
Ew, it's like congealed.
Don't stop it. Stop.
And then there's turkey down there. I don't know what's in the back there. Let's see. Kara's growing things in her fridge.
Shut up. Not the cleanliest person anymore.
That's okay, my yogurt did mold.
Told you.
It was green.
My green and white.
Yeah. Let's see, this is a freezer. She's got breakfast sandwichy croissant thingies. Breakfast Hot Pockets. There's only one left. And I wish she would eat it so she would get more. And then we got ice cream. It's pistachio. It's good. Other random shit. Shot glasses. Liquors. Grilled breast strip. I'm assuming that's chicken. Mesquite fillets. Yeah, just a bunch of stuff that you cook when it's after it's been frozen. Salt. Sea salt. Peppercorn. Black pepper. Olive oil. Cinnamon and...
There is difference.
What?
EVO. Extra virgin olive oil.
Extra virgin olive oil, whatever. Lots of stuff. This is all her spices and shit. We don't really care about those. That's not the good stuff. Good stuff. Ooh, what's up here? Tupperware.
Yeah.
Okay. Cheesy ramen. It's good. Normal ramen. Other cheesy ramen, but that's not as good. Chicken noodle soup. Yuck, we don't like chicken noodle soup.
Yes,
Baked beans. Kara likes chicken noodle soup. I don't. Sugar. Popcorn. Green beans. Jello. She makes Jello shots. This is a long tour of the kitchen.
Don't forget the little Debbie drawer.
Oh yeah! Okay. Well, we've got Velveeta. Ritz crackers. Vanilla wafers. Vanilla wafers. Elbow noodles. More elbow noodles. Spaghetti noodles. Ketchup. Like granola-y things. Raviolis and SpaghettiOs and spaghetti meatballs. Peas. Tomato and basil sauce. Ravioli. Peanut butter. Fiber bars. You'd think we were in the kitchen of an 80-year-old lady, but no. Okay, this is Little Debbie drawer. It's pretty intense. It doesn't have just Little Debbie stuff. What is this? This is garlic bagel crisp. And we've got like an assortment of animal crackers here. They're like normal, and there's frosted and iced. And then we've got like honey bun things, microwavable, hot fudge brownie. What's this? Cashews, almonds, and pecans. That sounds good. We have Doritos, Double Bubble. Epic bag of gummy bears. OMG. Oh, and then there's Orbit gum down there. You can't really see it. It's too dark. What's back here? Other gummy bears. Okay. Yeah. That. Oh! Well, okay, here's Little Debbie's. That wasn't what I wanted to show. A little bitchy fish is in there somewhere. She needs to clean its tank. I keep telling her to give him more water, but she won't. And that's it. Maybe if you gave him water. He's still bit. Anyway, that is Kara's kitchen. I'm going to make food now. Toodles!